I'm Jamie Everett. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Naked Kitchens. We create beautiful bomb-proof kitchens that are built for life. Over the last 3 weeks, we've been building these film sets to do different representations of what a kitchen would be like in an extreme circumstance. In this day and age, people want to express themselves much more through their own environments, particularly their own created environments. And so in the way that we've not repurposed a kitchen, but bent it to our will for the high life or plant's life, dog's life, people can do that to their own kitchen. So it's built for life, but it's not built for my life, it's built for their life in the way that they see themselves. The biggest opportunity we could give people when we create a kitchen for them is that ability for them to feel like we've made it, but they've created it and they've built it for their life. With Artist Life, we wanted to bring together a number of different strings. So there was the Jackson Pollock for the doors, Mondrian for the units, Andy Warhol for the Campbell's soups. Because if you were to create a kitchen for an artist, to have those different pockets of inspiration, to all bring them together into one beautiful setting, is what we were trying to do with that. And to just overemphasize, just to draw inspiration. Then in the execution, when you actually look at it and see it, it's even better than I thought it was going to be. Built for a plant's life, just want a different representation of a kitchen, because we like to think that we're a disruptor in the way that we manufacture and the way that we can offer what we do and the way that we do it. If you were completely obsessed by plants, so much so that they overtook your kitchen, that's what we're trying to create. All of the grasses came from just outside. The amazing green carpet was actually growing on the runway. There's this mat of green carpet that solidified itself beautifully down on the floor. The bluebells were in front of the hangers, and a lot of the plants that are in the pots just came from our garden. For the dog's life, it's just another classic example for us of how you can take that built for life and make it extreme for dogs. A friend of ours has got far more controllable dogs than ours, although this one is being very controllable right now. We just wanted to experiment with it and play with it. And again, just ask people to look at a kitchen in a different way. The plane came about particularly because this plane is the hero of a film called The Shepherd, which was shot here at West Raynham about 1.5 years ago. It's a Disney Plus film with John Travolta in it. And we bought the airplane after the film had finished. And we just knew that it encapsulated kind of lots of things about us. Our family do lots of flying. I used to be in the Air Force. It's quite personal to us. And so the plane is the embodiment really of everything that we are, especially the way that it is. You know, it's climbing away, it's driving itself forward, it's flying, it's the highlight. On the family side, it's Alexander, who's our eldest son. He's 23, and he came into the business about 2 years ago, and he's taken over the manufacturing side. So he's very, very much involved in that. Jane's the creative half. So I'm the execution, and Jane is the creative vision and driver of everything that you can see. George's creativity obviously comes from Jane. She's a spectacularly creative young lady. She's doing history of art at Bristol University, and we dragged her in, because she is an artist, to try and sort of lend some colour to our artist life. And she's a terrific creative inspiration to us. If you create something beautiful, which we do, it needs to be delivered in a way that it's fit for the purpose of being a kitchen. If we say it's built for life, it's because we believe it's genuinely built for life. Oh God, my leg's gone to sleep. Hey, my leg has gone to sleep. My leg's completely gone. God, that's funny. God, I feel like John Cleese. Honestly, I stood up. I stood up, and and it just didn't work.